beautiful people, you are welcome back to my channel. Today I have a wonderful recipe, white soup. And for you to prepare your white soup, you have to have all the necessary ingredients required. So I have here all the required ingredients used in preparing this white soup, and this is pounded yam to eat with the white soup. So before getting this, I'll have to show you all the ingredients and how to prepare this wonderful delicacy. This is Afia Efere. So let's go there as you enjoy watching the wonderful recipe served with pounded yam. Wow, delicacy for the white soup. This is it. This is yummy. So here is the meat. Here's my stockfish. And here my wonderful catfish and this wonderful ukbek fish also. Here I have periwinkle, and here I have snails. So for white soup, you know, it's gonna be a delicacy. Here is my catfish. You can see that I'm not going to be piecing any of this. Yeah, so let's go there and mix them inside the pots. Yeah, so for the white soup, this is total delicacy. Oh, UK's Kitchen gives you wonderful recipe. Wonderful recipe to your taste. Yeah, so I have a yam. I'm going to be pounding this yam now. So I have to bring down the pots. Here, so here is the crayfish. Open the pot. Open the pot. Yeah, so I have here my yam, and you know, the one I'll be using to smoothen my white soup. I don't need to wash the mortar. So that quantity is okay. You're going to be seeing how I'll be doing it. Yeah, you can see that is ready. So we'll be removing it now. Yeah, so that's the one we'll be using to, you know, make the soup thicken. So this is known as a thickener. Yep, so now we'll be putting more. This one now is going to be the so this one is going to be the one we'll be eating now. Pounded yam with white soup. So if this is, yeah, so let's go there into the pot. Yeah, I have my stock water here. I'm going to be adding water here. Yeah, so I'll add water and I'll allow this water to boil very well. Then I'll be pouring in all the necessary ingredients. Yeah guys, so the one for eating is ready. And you know what? We're gonna be eating this. I told you I'm preparing pounded yam and white soup for the family. Ooh, yum yum yum. So I'm gonna be cutting them into this cooler now. Oh, come and join me. Come and join me in this wonderful recipe, all my subscribers. Oh, correct recipe. Yeah. So, yes, so this is correct.
Sit down, so
You can see
it's
finished. Alright, let me go to the cooking section. You can see it here.
and me.
So I'll be covering the pot and allow this steam very well. Ooh, correct recipe. So I will start by this. Also the stockfish inside, and also this a periwinkle. This was going to be a wonderful one. And you know, the almighty catfish inside the pot also, and my wonderful snails also. This white soup here is gonna be one in town. And also crayfish. So guys, you can see that here I'll actually stir the pot. I'll allow this to steam very well, because for now I'm not going to be putting salt and Maggi yet, because of the stock. When I used the stock I used in parboiling the meat. So I'll allow this to steam very well first and test it before I will now know if I am to add Maggi or not. So I'll be covering the pots. So I'll be covering the pots and allow that to steam very well. Yeah, so as the pot is boiling, I'll be putting little cubes of Maggi and salt, and I'll stir the pot. So yeah, you can see the pot is so rich. This is correct white soup. I'll still cover it before later I'll come and be cutting in the thickener into it, which is the pounded yam. Okay, so wow, the pot is steaming very well. So I'll be cutting this now into the pot. This one is white soup, so you have to use your hand to cut it. Nothing like. So that's how we do it. Just smash it. This is the thickener. Yeah, so, and now I'll be covering the pot anymore. Allow this to steam until the thickener got dissolved. You know, the thickener is the pounded yam, the first one that was pounded initially. So the more it's steaming, I'll be adding more thickener to the pots. So this is how we prepare the pounded yam soup. So you know, pounded yam in Akwa Ibom land is called Afia Efere. Yeah. So I allow that to steam very well. You can see that as it's dissolving, the soup will become thicker. Yeah, so if this is your first time in my channel, don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Tap the bell for notification of more videos. This is Ukeme TV. Ukeme keep giving you updates of wonderful recipes and all she does. Stay tuned, enjoy watching it till the soup is ready. Now the soup is ready. I have your curry leaf and I've just added that. So I'll be stirring the pots. Yeah, you can see that the soup now is thicker. Oh my gosh, this is correct obstacles all over the soup. Yep, it's ready. So I'll be serving the food now. Alright, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. So I'll be serving the soup. This is it, correct recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this wonderful recipe. This is, oh my god. Yes, so hello beautiful people.